Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by uploading the PDF into Google Drive so Docs can access it. Once uploaded, right-click the file, choose Open with Google Docs. Docs converts it to an editable document, preserving most text and basic layout. Make sure the PDF is not a scanned image. If it is, use OCR or a dedicated scanner app first. Now, scan the converted document for formatting shifts, headings, and images. Correct those before deep edits, so changes don't cascade into layout problems later. Next, edit text and images directly in Docs. Click into paragraphs to change wording, and select images to resize or replace. Once done, reflow paragraphs and check line breaks. Docs can alter spacing, so adjust styles using the Format menu. If you need precise fonts or complex layouts, recreate those sections with tables or drawing tools rather than forcing the original layout. Also, use Find and Replace for repeated terms. It saves time and keeps consistency across the document before final export. When ready, export back to PDF by choosing File Download PDF document. Before downloading, preview to confirm page breaks and image quality. Make sure hyperlinks work if needed. If you require editable PDF forms, use add-ons or an external form tool after exporting. Troubleshooting tip. If the converted document lost formatting or shows blank pages, revert to the original PDF in Drive. Then open with Google Docs again with OCR disabled. Splitting a large PDF into smaller files often.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.